Hello everyone, my name is Srikanth Reddy from Grandpa Kitchen. I am from India. Here we are under lockdown to get away from COVID-19 virus. I know everyone is struggling to protect themselves from this virus. Here I want to share my thoughts with you who are being part of our Grandpa Kitchen about this virus. I know everywhere you are getting information about this virus. However, I want to tell you again protective measures against COVID-19 virus. Guys, stay at home and wash your hands frequently and maintain social distancing and avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. And practice respiratory hygiene. Make sure you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. That means cover your mouth and nose with bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. And dispose tissue immediately. Stay informed and follow the guidelines given by healthcare provider or your national and local public health authority or your employer on how to protect yourself from this virus. World Health Organization is giving guidelines to protect yourself from this virus. If you want to get more information, just visit World Health Organization website. There you will get latest updates about this virus. So finally I want to say guys, be safe from this virus infection and be smart and inform yourself and be kind and support one another. Guys, you have to remember that you are a soldier now. You are fighting against COVID-19 virus to protect yourself and your family and your country and everyone. Guys, we will be back soon again to share our thoughts with you. By the time, record a video, 1 minute video about your situation from home, about your situation and how you are spending your days with your family and your thoughts. So we will collect your videos and upload in our channel so that we can share our thoughts with our community. Our Gmail address is grandpakitchen3@gmail.com. You can also find this Gmail address in the description below. Guys, we are missing you and we miss you children. We'll be back soon when the situation gets normal. By the time, take care, be safe. See you soon guys, bye.